Hello, my lovely Taurus. This is Sri Vidya. I'll be bringing your love and relationship reading for the coming month or so time period. This is my own mate card. So let's begin your reading. Please like and subscribe if you resonate with it. Okay. So before that, I would like to say this reading may specifically resonate to people who are not in talking terms with their partner. Now I got that, but let's see what is coming more. Okay. Give me theme cards by the angels. Give me theme cards by Taurus. Love relationship reading. Theme card, please. One final theme card. Hard work. Two more cards, please. Wishing under a star. Wow, you are a dedicated person. You are doing so much work by yourself. Wow. Healing. Wow. And new beginnings. Wow, great. So most of you are getting over the past energies. You are really working hard. You are like maybe studying or studying new courses, or you are concentrating over your career finances, and you are really calling for your soulmate. Let's see if that card comes out, because wishing under a star is someone who is really calling for some miracle, some like desire, deep desire. You are calling for it, and you are also healing. You have already healed to a larger extent. You all have already healed, and you are now blossoming. Wow, great. So more cards, please. Give me more theme cards for Taurus. Say love relationship reading. More theme cards for Taurus. Love relationship reading. Two more cards, please. Two more cards, please. One more card. Yes. Okay. So what we have got for is abundance is coming your way. I'm sensing that. First card is keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So don't be very rigid. Like I want this kind of a person, because you don't know what you really want. Getting to know each other. Wow, you'll be have real conversation with there'll be a heart-to-heart conversation with each other. And first of all, I'm sensing that you'll be really afraid of talking to this new person, because this is someone new that is being shown. Also there is some, like, you could meet through a friend or someone, some third person that knows you both. Okay. And final card, it's safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy for all. So definitely there is a new beginning. What I told you, there is a new beginning, and it's like it's really safe for you to love. I don't know how this. Yeah. I'm also sensing that many of you are under immense stress, or your ex is under immense stress, that you are leaving him, and you are also very stressful regarding your new love. Yeah, the possibility of the new love. What is under below the open deck? Past life relationship. You both know each other from past life. So whosoever is coming, he is your soulmate most of the time. And wedding, wow. See, wedding is here. You both are going to marry each other. Wow, great. Very good cards have come as of now. So this shows that you are not talking to your past, and you are recovered to most of the extent, and now you are taking your journey on your own. Basically, you are really very hardworking type of a person, and really involved in your own arena, your own success, your timely completion of project. That's what I'm sensing here. Wow. And you are really desiring for a very great companionship. Most of you could be liking coffee. Okay. Show me more. Can you please show me the current state of my Taurus. My Taurus friends, current state, how they are feeling as of now. 9 of Wands reversed. Okay. Now here 9 of Wands reversed shows me that you are not, very much keen to take action abruptly. You'll wait, and then you'll take action. 8 of Athems and Throne, the Strength card. Okay, so many of you could be connecting to Leo or Gemini energy. You are searching for a new love. Most of you are actually searching for a love and a partnership, and theme is wedding. What I'm getting is wedding. You really want to settle down, and you're very strongly getting out of the hold of the past person, and you're not very much aggressive towards opting for new love. You're like, okay, it will come, I'll take care, I'll see to it, but it's like, it's okay, if it comes it comes, if it doesn't it doesn't. That kind of energy is in here. And Crone is here. You are really very strong, taking care of yourself, and very wise personality also, and you have done a lot of effort to get you out of this stuck stagnant energy. Okay, can you please clarify me this 9 of Wands reversed? You're very diligent personality, hard-working personality. 9 of Wands reverse is clarified by 10 of Pentacles reverse. See, whomsoever you were involved with in the past, that was a very a long-lasting kind of a relationship. You never expected this to get over. You were, you might be knowing their family, that person might be knowing your family, and you really had long-term plans with this person. Many of you could be married with the past person, and there was a beauty in that relationship, but it just shattered. I don't know what happened, because that's not what I'm interested upon. I'm interested upon your new beginning and what the other person thinks about you. Okay, clarify this 8 of Athems reversed. Wow, Queen of Pentacles, you are ready to get married. You have, taken the control in your hands. You have put a lot of effort in developing yourself, and you have healed to a larger extent. And angels are also there who is looking after you. This is very much clear. The Witch, wow. Now see, the Queen of Pentacles is Sagittarius Capricorn energy. The Witch is Gemini Libra energy, Aquarius energy. So you have accomplished a lot greater deal as of now, because maybe it has taken years for you to get out of this relationship, and you did well. You are really thriving. See, Queen of Pentacles along with the Witch, this shows that a person has accomplished a lot. You are master in what you do. You are really accomplished person, and ready to get settled also, although you're not really jumping to get settled, but you are ready to get settled. Okay, now can you please tell me the energy of the past person, what this past person thinks about my Taurus? Okay, tell me what the past person thinks about my Taurus currently. The feeling of the past person about my Taurus. Feeling of the past person. Feeling of the past person, please tell me more. What this person feels about my Taurus. 6 of Pentacles reversed. Okay. Battle Wagon, Cancer energy, Libra energy. Okay. Now, clarify the 6 of Pentacles reversed. Let me get a clarification card, so I'll tell you what is going on in here. Okay. Okay, got this point. Okay. Standing strong, please. Standing strong. They are giving more than 2 cards. Oh, 9 of Pentacles and the Lady and the Rod. Oh my God, this person is heartbroken. Oh my God. See, what I am sensing over here, and the World Tree. you have moved out of this relationship. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, you really have ended this, and this is not bearable by this person. He is totally in love with you. This is like Nine of Pentacles is here. See, the family is here. Lady in the lovers are here. He never expected you to leave him, and you just left. So this is like an injustice to him. He feels very like betrayed by you. He feels that you were not supposed to do what you did. You're not supposed to take care of yourself. You're supposed to take care of him. Even though he might have involved a third party in it, he might have, you know, went and married someone else, and he wanted you by his side, but you were like, it was too much for you to take, and that's why you left. And this is like not at all like bearable by him. He is not going to bear this, and he is coming. See, the Cancer energy is here. He is coming, and he is very angry. So be prepared, my dear Taurus. He is coming. Okay, now please tell me future of this relationship. Future of this relationship, the past. Six of Wands reversed. You are like done with the ego of this person, the you know, and your self-respect, what was like clashing. This person might have treated you very very badly, and he you know, he was a attention seeker. He had so much of ego in him, and you are, that's why you have given up. You have given up on this relationship. You have worked on yourself. You have got out of this relationship, and you have healed. Wow, great energy. First time I have got this kind of a clear cut energy. I don't want you. A very clear cut energy. Okay, now let me get some energies of your new love. What is going on? Okay, the first card is this King of Cups. Wow, so this person is really having a good energy. Libra, Scorpio energy. King of Cups. Okay, okay, cards are falling. This person has lots and lots to say. So can you please tell me, my dear angels, anything about the new person who is coming in for my Taurus? Anything about the new person who is coming in for my Taurus? Three of Pentacles. He is also hardworking as you are. Any other cards, please? High Priestess. He is your soulmate because you both are vibrating on the same level. See, you are the witch. He is the High Priestess. High Priestess is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Now, you are very dedicated, as you can see, and the same way this person is dedicated, you will be like, you know, just match for each other. That kind of an energy. Both are very hardworking, and you know, not a cheater, not a liar. Any other further cards? Okay, Harvest. He is really, right now, he is going through so much of his work, so much of a work pressure, and he is currently, you might meet with this person either in your office or somewhere in business partnership, what I am sensing. And he is a very cool kind of a person who is not very much, you know, like haphazardly very really aggressive, that I want this, that is not what I am sensing. He is like, okay, if the result is not coming because of the corona period, maybe that has struck his business. He might be a businessman, and he is not really right now getting the result of it. He is working on it. He is really working on it. He is very excellent in what he does. Any final advice card for my Taurus? Any final advice card for my Taurus? Two of Wands. You both are going to be like a business partner. You both are going to stand to make something new. You both are going to fulfill each other. Wow. Okay, any other card? Any other card, please? Any other card, please? See, all the cards that are coming, that is showing working. Be it a witch, be it a thief, be it a High Priestess. This, see, there's a clear cut indication that you both are a clear compatible for each other. Like, I'm really happy to read this for you, that you both are really going, either you must have met, but I'm not sensing for many of you, you are in the process of meeting. This is the work in progress. And see, everyone is like in the pot working and making ingredient. Maybe you both could be a cook, anything related. You both are going to meet through work. That's really for sure. And you'll be like a head to head competition, that kind of a personality. Maybe you meet in a bitter situation and a competitive situation, but then you both start understanding each other, because here the open, an open mind card is also has come. So maybe you might not feel that this is the person, but later on you start realizing, okay, he's a sweet kind of a personality, he's really a match to me. So this was your reading, my dear Taurus. Please let me know how you resonated. Bye.